I don't know if I would be able to crack any interview or not because I was very helpless at that moment when I quit my job. It was little bit depressing, not that much, but everybody would feel some type of way because, yeah, but my family was really supportive in my decision. So that was also a thing. And even there is a lot of things on Google. So I am Vaidehi Kamalpuria and I'm from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. So I belong to a nuclear family and I did schooling from here itself, but I did my college from NMIMS Mumbai, which is a dual degree integrated course. So it is MBA Tech, BTech plus MBA in
Hmm.
5 years. So
Okay.
I completed that course, which is specialized in business intelligence and analytics.
Okay.
So, but during the COVID time, I got my placement uh, in IDFC First Bank. So I have 2 years of experience as well, but not as a data analyst. So I was seeking more of a career which is aligned towards analytical domain. So that was my main agenda of quitting the job as well because I quit in 2 years. So taking my journey from non-tech to tech, I Preplaced has helped me a lot in this journey, and finding a right mentor was also important because I was seeking a mentor which is already in a domain and which has also transitioned just like me. So that personalized touch that I was particularly looking for in a mentor. So I found Mukesh there and I booked a free trial and then we figure out things, strategize mainly. So this was all about my journey till now. And as the result, he has helped me a lot. And finally, I have received a job offer as well in Hilti company, which is a MNC. So
Okay.
as a data analyst, it was a great achievement for me because I just wanted to go in a field which I in which I can pursue this analytical domain and all. So
Right.
I finally got that offer. So I'm very much appreciative towards Mukesh as well as Preplace platform. So that was my journey all about.
And
It
of,
was not easy
of
thing, let
course.
me tell you, because the job market, we all know what is the current scenario going on right now in the job market. But achieving that with the help of mentor, it is a achievement. and
Right.
and all those things which he has taught me, I will not be able to forget those things even in future if there is some need or if I need to make a switch in my career, then I can follow those things and do it very smoothly and in a proper way. So that was the thing. I got a job as a campus placement in IDFC.
Okay. And then
Yeah,
you continued working there for a while,
yeah,
and then you decided for a job
yeah.
shift.
Yeah, because COVID time, the scenario was not that much good, and it
Right.
was like whatever job you are getting, you just grab it, and
Makes sense.
whatever field you are getting, you just grab it and hold it on to some time. So for that period of time, I got that opportunity. But banking sector is matlab I learned so much things about banking sector as well. But it is after working there, I realized that it is not for me. So I
Okay.
just want it. I just do not want to work here in this domain particularly. So I
Correct.
got to learn those six, although I have a very rewarding experience with the bank. So, but I just wanted to go in an analytical career in which I have specialized also. So that was the
Mm.
main reason. I left my job in June
Okay.
and I got to know about Preplace in October. So before that, I was hunting on my own.
Mm.
But I was not aware of that tips and tricks and those particular things. I was using Chat GPT and all, but
Mm.
the particular things and personalized things and mock interviews and so many things that has helped me to pave the way
Mhm.
and I've been able to achieve it finally.
Sounds good. Sounds good. So, how did you decided to go ahead with Mukesh? Like, did you took multiple trial sessions?
No,
Or
I just took one,
okay.
and yeah, I just took one, which was with him, and he was also data analyst, and from a non-tech background, he was a mechanical engineer. Even I was electronic engineer. and then I did MBA. Then he was also transition, and he has worked also for 3 years. So
Hmm.
I thought he is the perfect one who could guide me. And even after getting a free trial, I
Hmm.
was able to come up with a vibe. Yeah, he is the one, and he would be able to uh, guide me perfectly because
Correct.
he understood each and everything about me first, and then helped me pave my way. Yeah, so I took long term membership for 3 months, but I had planned to extend it other if I do not get a job. Then I started my preparation journey, and firstly, he has given me a roadmap which I followed thoroughly.
Hmm.
I was well aligned with my skills because previously, when I have not joined Preplace, I was focusing more on the skills like Python, SQL, and all. But I do not have any type of hands-on experience on those skills. But I was just learning. So it is like just I was just upskilling myself, but not having side by side any type of experience with those skills.
Hmm.
So that was the thing. Then I started preparing my skills. Uh, Following that roadmap, it was a very good roadmap which he has provided. So I was preparing accordingly, whatever he has given and mentioned me, seeing videos on YouTube, doing projects, creating a portfolio website, and then side by side, he was taking mock interviews as well. So that part has played a crucial role, um, because he has the experience, what kind of questions are being asked in the data analyst interview, what are the steps, everything. He has that kind of experience. So he was giving me, even he was asking his friends what is the current trends right now. He is taking things from his friends and then telling me just now I asked my friend this type of questions were asked, so you should prepare these types of questions. So he was helping like that. So I was also eager to know such things, what is going on in market actually. So these things has helped me a lot in this side. And portfolio websites also, I have created one on my own. And SQL and skills were also the crucial part, and he was taking interviews as well on those technical skills and behavioral questions as well. He has taken two or three. So that was a personalized touch, which I was talking about, as he has taken, and it has helped me a lot on that part.
Sounds great. Sounds great. It sounds like your mentor has really helped you end to end in the entire
Yeah,
journey.
because that the result, I'm very happy with the result. So
Right.
November, December, and my mentorship ended on February, and on February 24th, I have the offer letter. Even
Right.
not only one, I have two in my hand. So
Right.
that is the great thing, because previously I was also struggling with the same thing, but my mentor has pushed me a lot, and he has made a path for me which is very structured and organized. So it has helped me to go on that structured path, and I
Sounds
have succeeded as well. So I am very much happy. I don't know if I would be able to crack any interview or not, because I was very helpless at that moment when I quit my job. It was little bit depressing, not that much, but everybody would feel some type of way, because yeah, but my family was really supportive in my decision. So that was also a thing. And even there is a lot of things on Google or YouTube or many things, but you do not know where to start, how to start. So that is the thing that has helped me. And the I told you, the structured and organized part. So
right.
because the things in Google, you can Google anything anytime. ChatGPT is also there, but that structuredness has helped a lot. So this that thing I do not I did not sense in me previously when I have not joined Preplace, and
Right.
after that it was all good. I am deeply grateful for the unwavering support and guidance that Mukesh has given me throughout my preparation journey, and his insights, his encouragement, and expertise have been very instrumental in shaping my approach and also boosting my confidence, because at this time, sometimes we feel low, or cracking an interview is also a thing. So boosting my confidence was also appreciative on Mukesh part. So, and my dedication to growth and evident through the time and efforts that he has invested in providing me feedback and certain advices has also been very inspiring to me. And my mentorship has not only prepared me for the interview, but it has also given me very invaluable lessons that I can extend far beyond this process. So I'll take care and I have learned it for the future as well. So I want to express my heartfelt appreciation for Mukesh for believing in me and in my potential and for my commitment to success. So thank you, Mukesh, for being an exceptional mentor and a source of inspiration. So I look forward to continue to learn from wisdom and keep everything ready for the future.
Sounds great. I'm very sure that the Mukesh will be very happy to, go through the entire video and he'll
Yeah.
really feel very nice about it. Okay.